Hi everyone, Shane here at Southeast Motorcycles, and today we are doing a quick walk around of this 2013 FLHX Street Glide. So as you can see, it is a black denim. A lot of customization on this bike. So as we come down, twin cam 103 does have Arlen-Ness air filter, Vance & Hines exhaust, changed up. We have this mustache engine guard with highway pegs. There's some Willie G highway pegs. There's your bracket. Coming back, speakers, aftermarket, put into the lids. You do have the stretch saddlebags, so you can see with the Vance & Hines exhaust sticking out the back. There's your wiring for the speakers and the lids. Kenwood amp. Okay. And then really good look at this Danny Gray seat. You can see stitching, little spot for a backrest. I don't think there's a mount in there. I don't feel one. And then your back seat. And then it does have upright backrest, so it does have the docking hardware, 4-point. And then coming on the back side, you see the dual exhaust and the stretch bags, shortened antenna. Super cool bike. It's your battery tender lead, heel toe shifter, aftermarket mirrors, Harley grips, and then coming up the front side. I mean, so you can see, I mean, it's a black denim, but there's definitely been some rubbing off of that denim layer. And then front fender looks really clean though. Your dual disc brakes, no ABS on this bike. Obviously 2013 won't have that slipstream vent, so this is an older pre-Rushmore. And then coming up the back side, you do have aftermarket chiseled handlebars. I'm gonna say probably a 12-inch with your grips coming down a little bit. And then there is your dashboard. So Kenwood aftermarket radio. Got the triple bags here behind your windshield, place for your cell phone. Hey, and a handy cup holder, because who doesn't need a cup holder when they ride? So low mileage, 9,294 miles on this bike. Let me fire it up for you. Yeah, of course your Vance & Hines is going to be nice loud exhaust. Come check this bike out. I got it listed at 15.5. I just reduced it. So if you have any questions, visit our website southeastharley.com, or feel free to give me a call, 440-439-5300. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. We'd love it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll talk to you real soon. Take care.